sorry. Yes. It's the Mustela. Yay, we are. Thank you, Mustela. Okay, we're gonna unbox Baby Blaire's Christmas gift from Mustela. Yay! Thank you, Mustela. Don't sit on it. Mommy, help her open with just a hand. Please. Thank you, Mustela. That's from oh, Blaire, come here. Come here, mommy. Careful your hand. Careful. Okay. Okay. Wow. Open. Yeah, mommy. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. What do we have today? Wow. We got baby wipes. We've got baby oil. We got your cleansing water. We got your baby wipes. We got your Stelatopia cleansing cream. Cleansing water. And we have a letter from Mustela. We hope you will enjoy our products. Unfortunately, we're running out of the Stelatopia Balm and we'll be able to send you the product in February. You can still do the post on Instagram about the Stelatopia cleansing wipes in January, talking about the benefits, and it's now available in Chemist Warehouse stores. We wish you a Merry Christmas, Mustela team! Yay! Thank you, Mustela! That's it, guys!
Blaire,